Alright guys, so now let's jump into this tutorial about on how you can make your own intro, your own outros on your video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use Kinemaster or Kinemaster. I don't know how you call that, but you can use that apps for free. You can go to Play Store and just download this Kinemaster. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you. I'm going to Kinemaster. You just click that Kinemaster, and then you will click this plus sign. Alright, so click the plus sign, and then you will see the ratio. Right, so you're gonna select the aspect ratio of your project. So I'm always using the 6:9 because that fits to our video screen. So just click that, and then just wait for a second because you know my internet is still working. Okay, so guys, hope you if you are just new to this site, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button so that you can notify when I upload my new video tutorials. Alright, now we're here and click this media. Alright, so first you have to put your background first. Okay, so click the background, and you can choose the background you want, or if you have a background that you downloaded on Google, you can use that as well. Alright, so from here, from this background, I'm going to use like let's see, okay, like this one. Okay, because I like hearts, I like love. Alright, so now we're gonna put our name or video, whatever you want to put. Alright, so I'm gonna put this picture, any picture you want. You can choose on your gallery or your photos. You can use those pictures that you want. So let's see, I want to put this alright, I want to put this one. So I'm gonna choose one. Alright, so because it's so small, now guys, you can move it wherever you want. You can adjust it whenever you want, but I think I want to adjust it because you see this picture that I shot on my phone is there's two blocks on the sides, and I don't like that black, so I wanted to cover it by expanding my picture. Alright, just expand it so it will fit to the screen. Alright, now it fits to the screen, and then I'm gonna take that picture. Alright, and then you push this check. Alright, don't forget the check. Alright, so now since we're done here, let's see. Alright, so that is too long, so I just want to make a little bit shorter. Alright, so I'm gonna play with it and see how it goes. Alright, so you know guys why it stopped, because your background is from here to here only, so you have to click that and slide to the right. Alright, so it will cover your picture. Alright, and when you're done, you click the check and let's play. Alright, there you go. Yeah, you can use your own background if you want it. You can use your own photos if you want it to use on your intro. But for me, I recommend that, yeah, I like using my own photo in my intros than using other background intros, because it's your video, so it's you. So there's a chance that you can brand yourself and show to your audience that you are the one inside those videos. Alright, so now you see that there is a vacant here, so you can put your name or title of your videos. Alright, so you go to this layers and you can click on a media if you want to get some pictures that you already made. Like for example, I made this this one, Maria, my name. I make that one, and I want to upload it to my intros. That's why I make a name Maria. But there's another apps that you can use to design your name, to make 3D, or to make design like this. But that's on my other tutorial, so I'm gonna make another tutorial on how to make and design and be creative on your name. All right, so I want my name to be in the middle. Or if you want to make, if you want to use all the space, you can do that. If you want to use in the middle, because I don't want to cover the hearts, so I'm gonna put there in the middle, and that's it. Right now, if you want, okay, now I'm gonna show you first how it goes. All right, now, because you put your name here on the line of this background, so it will appear on your background. But if you don't want it to appear on from the very beginning of your video, you can adjust a bit, or you can just press a little bit and move a little bit here, right? So there is a space from here to there, and then just click the check bar, and you will see. So your name is gonna pop up. Okay, now we're gonna make some adjustment here, because once you preview it, you see it's covered with the name and your picture. So I want this a little bit. I'm gonna slide a little bit so it will not go in on top of your name. All right, so let's see, check it out, and let's see how it goes, and play. Right now, if you want to make an animation, you can just push that one, and whatever kind of animation you want. You want just a pop? Do you want to slide right? Do you want to slide left? Do you want to slide up? Wow, this is so cool. You want to slide down? You want to clockwise, counterclockwise? You want to drop it, scale up, scale down, coverage, right? So there are a lot, but I'm gonna use this coverage, right? But you can play on it, guys. You can choose whatever you want it to be. All right, now that's what's gonna happen. So let's see how it goes. Right? All right. Now, since we have a vacant here at the beginning, that there's nothing inside the background, we can put text. Just click that layer and then click this letter T, so you can type your text, like for example, welcome. Okay, let's say welcome to my channel. All right, okay, just type that and click OK, and now you see. All right, because it's too small, you can move wherever you want, and you can you can adjust it to make it big, to make it a little bit bigger. All right, and then because it's white, so I want it to be some kind of colorful, so I'm gonna put that push that bottom, so you can choose your colors. All right, it's all up to you guys. Whatever color you want, you can choose there. And if you want to change the font, you just push this AA button, and you can select your font. All right, so like for example, I like this font. Just click that, and then click the check, and you will see. But now this changed a little bit. It won't fit to the frame, so let's make it small a little bit, so it fits out to the frame, things like that. All right, so now if you want this to be like an animation or popping up, things like that, you can just do this and do like that. All right, sometimes it's so fast, but down here it's 0.51, so you can adjust this so it's not too fast or too slow, right? All right, I think I like this setting. All right, so now if you are good with that, just click check, and it will be okay. Now let's play again. All right, now you always try to preview every time you change something or you add something, but what I've noticed here is it covers my name, so I'm going to move or adjust my name a little bit because I don't want that Maria to be on the back of this welcome to my channel. All right, so I'm going to move this one a little bit here. Okay, and now okay, and let's see. All right, now it's still in there, so it's not what I need to do. I need to do is to move this one here, make short a little bit. Still, yes, now it's not. You can see if you just hold on it, and then you can see if it is on top of your name, and then you can just adjust. You still not moving, and then once you, okay, hold on, once you're done, you can now play with it. All right, so you see there is still a welcome on top of your name, so I'm going to adjust my name a little bit backward so it won't look like that it is also on top of your welcome text. Right, so every time you change something, you push that check button. All right, I don't want to see that there, so I'm gonna cut it. And then sometimes you can't see this one, you see, because I cannot see the layer if you're doing like this, because it's always popping up the welcome on top of my name. So just click this one so you can see the layers down here. All right, now I see that on the welcome, this picture is on this button, so I'm gonna adjust this so it won't get the welcome on top of my name. And once you've done that, click the check and let's play. All right, so it's gonna be like that. Come to my channel. I'm Maria, and this is me. All right, guys, so now if you want to put your music, all you have to do is just to push this audio, and then from here you can find the music you want. Just if you like that, just press the plus sign and it will add on your video. All right, so what we're gonna do next, when it pops up here at the bottom, we need to make our background a little bit longer so the music will go into the background. But since I can't see this one, so you have to do that one, and then we're gonna put our music from the beginning. All right, just push a little bit and then just scroll down to the left so that when you start your video, the music starts also. All right, and we'll cut out until the end of this. So it depends on you guys from where you want to cut your music. All right, so let's see how it goes, and then don't forget to check, and let's play on it. Alright, now done. So we are good with the music, and there are more other options that you want to do on your Kinemaster. So if you want to say something after you finish your video, you can you see this one in the middle, the red one. Just push that one, and if you want to do some a video of you, just push this camcorder, this one, and then now you can now start talking in on a video. Right. Now you see me on the video, just push that button, the camcorder, so you can talk, or if you want to say something about your video, you can use also this Kinemaster by tapping that red button in the middle, and you can choose your camera or you can choose your camcorder. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this tutorial, and hope you you learn about how to make your intros using your photo on your gallery. And if you have any more questions, just let me know down in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment also this tutorial, so that when I make another tutorial, you can be notified by clicking the notification button. All right, thank you so much guys for watching, and see you then.